Please, quiet. Good evening, everyone. This is James from Dividend Stock Talk, where we talk about dividend stocks and investing for weekly and monthly cash flow. Today is Friday, January 26th. It is the fourth Friday of the month, which means we traded 4 weeks for this year. I wonder just how well we're doing this year. So we're aiming for different goals for each account. Because some people aren't totally up to what we're doing and they just want to invest in dividend stocks, where you buy the dividend stock, collect the dividend, sell it, and then move on to the next dividend stock. Okay, so I'm going to show you 2 different accounts. Account number 1 is our dividend stock account, where we aim to get 1% per month. Now, this one, it doesn't look as if we're getting 1% per month because it's at a negative at the moment. However, we usually carry 4 to 5 positions, roughly right around $20,000 each. We like to keep them all even. As you can see, the 3 positions that we have are all in the negative at the moment. AD&T is down 6,600. AZZ is down 200 and SLB is down 1,200. Now, it may appear that it's not favorable. However, we are going to collect the dividend next week. And then once we collect the dividend, we readjust the sale price, because it doesn't look like we're going to get the 2.5% that we're shooting for up here. See that? Triggered by 2.5% limited order, which is fine. So we collect a dividend and then we move on to the next company and collect that dividend also. We're always striving to get the 2.5% run up, because I found that a lot of stocks have a tendency to move up a certain percentage just before the EX date. So last year we did get the 1% per month. This year we're going to shoot for 1% a month again. Now, that's an average. Now, we did a bunch of trades, so let me quickly show you how many trades we've done since the beginning of the year. Now, we have 3 positions here. Okay. Now, these are all the positions we've had so far this year. Okay. That's quite a bit of positions. So, we had 1,300 there, 1,300 there, 1,300 there, 12 there, 500 there, 500 there. These were all break-evens, no, those were carried over from last year, so we had to reset those to 0 because we didn't want to skew the numbers. So as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 positions we've already had since the beginning of the year. Now, these are all the profits that we've made. Now, only these 3 positions that we're currently holding are bringing our values back down a little bit. So we want to ignore the fact that we're losing on these and just keep on looking for the positive, because we're not going to take the losses here, because 13% went down a little bit too fast, because we don't want to take the loss at 13%. However, like I said, we are going to collect the dividends there, and then we're going to reassess what we're going to do. So it's here at a loss at the moment, but it's really not. Okay, that being said, we will make another trade, because we have a little bit of extra money in here to make another trade for Monday. So we don't need to do that now. So let's move on to the other account. Now, the other account is going, and I'm going to show you, is our dividend investing using strictly options. Now, options may sound like they're complicated, but they're really not. It's just like you're buying something and then you turn around and reselling it. You buy for profit and then you sell. Where did my mouse go? Oh no. That's lovely. Well, it seems to be stuck. There we go. All right. So we get 3 positions here for this week. Boeing, Hasbro, and Texas Instruments. As you can see, we made money on Boeing and Hasbro, but Texas Instruments, we had a big loss, 3,200. It may look that bad, but if you offset this one and this one, And plus, we already did Boeing earlier this week, and we made, I think it was 3,000 the first time. Let's quickly take a look at our account statement. Boeing, there you go. Yeah, see, we're up 3,300 on Boeing. So we only lost money on 2 trades so far. That was Ford. We lost 1,800 on Ford. And apparently we lost 3,200 on Texas Instruments. So we don't win all the time. So we got 2 losses and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 wins. So 9 wins and 2 losses. That's not that bad for a 9. What are we at? 9.5. Okay, so 9.5. That's pretty good. All right. Let's go back to what we're looking at. Okay, so Boeing would be out of that one today. Hasbro, we're going to be out of that one too. A few trades. 89.5, 90. Let's see what Hasbro did. HAS. Okay, Hasbro closed at 93.39. And what did we need it? Oh, 89.5, 90. So that's way into the money. So we made good on that one. Now, what happened to Texas Instruments, TXN? What happened there? Okay, so apparently she hit a high of 120. She started out the year pretty good, at, running between what is that, 75 and 82 for about 8 months, looks like. And then in September, she starts climbing from the 82 to a 97. She just stays there for about a month and a half, and then she jumped up and to make an all-time high of 120.83. Okay, there was a lot of pullback on, I think it was Monday or Tuesday after we bought our positions. Well, so what was our position anyway? Our position for Texas Instruments was 117, 118. Okay, so we lost 3,200 on that one. Just to tell you, you don't want to model. Just because the software says it's going to do something, just because all the charts and everything's pointing in that direction, doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to win. Because as you can see, we had 3 positions and we lost 1, and we made it on the other 2. Okay, so all that being said, we're still up 9,500, which is 9.5%. 4th year into week 4. So we got 1 more week of January to go, and let's see if we can hit that 1% again. Anyway, this is James. We're going to check and see if we have any questions. If not, we're going to move along. Moving right along. Okay, no questions. That being said, we be out of here, and we look at who we're looking at next week. Okay, next week would be the 29th. So we'll be looking at the week of the 12th. That's not a whole heck of a lot to pick from. You know, we got VLO, ED, AMGN, CCJBO, Kroger, Lilly, Microsoft, WBN, Win, 3M, and what is this one? PPG. Is that Procter? No, it's not. PPG Industries. I have no idea who they are. But anyway, what we're going to end up doing is we're going to take all these here that are on the agenda next week. We're going to stick them into our software and see what the software says. Once we figure out what the software says, then we're going to jump in, check the seasonality charts, check the trending charts, all that kind of nice, neat, fun stuff, and go from there. Okay, so it is 10:57 Friday evening. Do you know where your children are? Anyway, this is James from Dividend Stock Talk. You guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. What am I doing?